This time I'm going to create this part. It's the owner of the drawing is CAD/CAM Tutorial and created by Matabalam Khan. And it's made for Fusion 360. So we will see how we can create this part in Ironcad. I will bring it back like so. And I will start with the bottom plate. We see that the length is 145, width 90, thickness 20. So I will use an extrude shape, go to IntelliShape level, right click this height handle, edit size box, 20, width 90, length 145. And then I will add some blends, radius is 20. In this case we see that the edge on this side is hidden, you can't see it. Instead of moving the camera, you can when you select it in part level, press Ctrl E, then you can see the hidden edges. Then if you press S to select blend and select this edge here and type 20 and hit enter, you can continue to select edges, even the hidden ones, like so. And then hit enter, select the part, Ctrl E twice, so now you can see the edges again. And next step is to add a cylinder, this one here. I drop it here on the midpoint, or you can drop it anywhere. I will drop it there. And the radius is 34, so the diameter will be 68. I have to move it so it will touch this side here. And turn on the tribal. I have to move the tribal to this point here, then lock it, and then move it to the midpoint, like so. And the height of this cylinder should be 60, like so. And then I will add an extrude shape, drop it on the center point here, and right click, flip extrusion, and right click on this handle and to center point of the cylinder. Right drag this handle, snap to the outside of the cylinder, and see now it's 85, so I will right click and edit distance from this point here. It will be 85. And then drag or grab the height handle, snap to the bottom. And then I will cut this hole here, or remove this geometry. So I will grab an extrude, cut extrude, drop it on the midpoint. It will go through up to this point, and also through the part in this side, to this side here. And let's see now, and the thickness here is 20. So I'll right click this handle, edit distance from this point, and that will be 20. And the thickness is 30, or not the thickness, but the cutout is 30. I will right click and push and type 30, like so. Then I'm going to create this cone, and you can do that in several ways, but you can use chamfer or you can use draft, but I will use chamfer in this case. Drag a cylinder, drop it on the midpoint, center point, and snap it to the side here, or the radius, the arc, so that we have the same diameter. And then I will cut a hole and make sure that I have the right height first. Select the height handle, type 40, then cut cylinder, drop it on the center point, make it to go through the part, and we see that the diameter up here is 40, so I'll make sure that the hole is 40. So now I can use the hole when I make the cone by using chamfer. So I select the part in part level, press S, use chamfer, and distance, select this edge here, and I will grab this handle, snap it to the edge of the hole, grab this handle to snap it to this edge here, and then hit enter. Now I can select the hole and change the diameter to 20, like so. Then I'm going to add a rib. There is a catalog named shapes. Down here there is a rib feature, this one, and I will drag and drop it on this bottom plate and turn on the tribal. And the tribal is positioned in the center, so I right click, choose to this point here, then I grab this handle, snap it to that side, and this handle to snap to this side up here, and then this handle to snap it to this side. And the width is 12, like so. So now we have the rib. But if you don't find the rib feature, you can use an extrude shape if you want to. I can show you. Use an extrude shape. I drop it here on the midpoint, and right click and push. The width is 12. Grab this handle, snap it to this side here, snap this handle to that side, and snap this handle to this side. Then I can select the part, use S key, chamfer, use distance, select this edge, grab this handle and snap it to that edge, and this handle, snap it to that edge, and hit enter. So now we have the rib in the right position. Then cut some holes. I use a cut cylinder. I drop it here on the center point, and the diameter should be 18. And I will also snap this handle to the bottom. Use the tribal, right click and drag. Use the shift key to snap to this arc here. Then it will snap to the center point of the arc, and then let go the left mouse button and link OK, and then remove the tribal. So this is how we can create this part in Ironcad. You will see it is very easy, just drag and drop. No extra sketches or datum planes and so on. So I hope you have found it useful.